So friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to run your first JavaScript program on Windows or Visual Studio Code on Windows. So first of all, once you open the Visual Studio Code, what you need to do, you have to create a new folder, or you can open any exist folder on your Windows. Just click on File and go to and click on this Open folder and choose the folder that you want to choose. So I'm going to choose this one, and now you have to create a new file here. So this click on this new file icon, or you can click on this to create a new file. So I'm going to click on this, and now you have to enter the name of the file. So I'm going to name it as example. Fine. And just end the file name with .js and just save it, and the new file will be open here. Now so let's run the simple code, the hello world, or we can write our own message like welcome in the quotes, double quotes, make sure. Welcome to the JavaScript tutorial. Once you're done, you can end this statement with semicolon. And once you're done, you have to save this file. Once you save the file, now it's time to run your JavaScript program. But before that, if you haven't installed the Node.js on your Windows, you have to open any browser on your Windows and type Node.js and open the first link and click on this first 18.16.1. This is the recommended version for the most users, and the latest one is 20.3.1. So what I will recommend you to download this, because this Node.js is showing me an error in the window Visual Studio. So just click on it to install, download and install. And installation is very straightforward, so you can do it at your own. Once you install, so it will set up the environment variable at it on, so you don't have to do anything. Forget it. So once you install this, now you can open the Visual Studio Code, write your program. Now click on this terminal, click on new terminal, and now you have to first of all make sure, if you want to make sure if the Node.js is installed or not, you have to type run this command node hyphen and version, and just enter, and the version of the Node.js will be shown after running this command. Fine. Now it's time to run our first JavaScript program for you. So to run JavaScript program, you have to write node and then the file name. But make sure that you have navigated to the directory where the file is stored. Once you navigate it, you can use the cd command to enter into the directory where the file is stored. And now you have to type node and the file name, example .js. Just you need to enter now, and you can see that our message or our output will be shown successfully on Visual Studio. Fine. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.